In an effort to be more accessible, we're implementing the HCATF Mobile App. The app will streamline procedures such as DPR submissions and upgrade course registration, make up-to-date information more accessible to all members, and provide our community the tools and resources they need right at their fingertips. We designed our app with different user groups in mind. While many similarities exist between these profiles, there are distinct differences in the app for apprentices, journeymen, instructors, and contractors. When a user first downloads and launches the app, they'll encounter a login screen where they're able to create their account and then log in with their confirmed information. Their initial view includes a customized greeting, lists their status in craft, and houses their certification card right at the top of the screen. They'll also see their pay rate and be able to access their DPRs easily every time they log in, quickly access resources, check the latest events and activities, and sign up for upgrade courses right through the app. We'll also be adding an additional tile that links to the apprentice class registration and book purchase system we select as we move forward. As they scroll down the page, apprentices will see the latest HCATF news and announcements on their home screen, so they're always up to date with current events in the program. Last but not least, the navigation located at the bottom orients the user back to their home screen at any time and houses technical information for their review. One of the most important features for the Apprentice app is a DPR function. The main tile on the home screen includes a dynamic graphic that tracks how close they are to their next raise. They can also see the hours listed at right. Apprentices can click this tile to submit DPRs and view their DPR history. In addition to DPRs, apprentices will find even more tools on the home screen, including resources, a calendar, and upgrade registration. The resources tile contains helpful links to keep our apprentices connected. They can view our news and events, access the job call line, view manuals, forms, and links, and access practice math. They also have the option to contact us via phone or email, can access our social media pages, and view any photo galleries we curate in this section. Users will also have access to a comprehensive calendar which displays everything from state holidays to journeyman upgrade course schedules. Details for upcoming classes and events appear beneath the calendar to highlight important event information. Eventually, users will be able to sign up for journeyman upgrade courses here. That function will roll out in Phase 2 of our launch and will help streamline both the registration process and payment process. As mentioned, we'll also be adding a tile linking to our apprentice class registration system in this section. Scrolling beyond the initial tiles displays a series of articles or announcements we can change based on what we'd like to highlight. Clicking any of these tiles will allow the user to get more detail. Last but not least, the bottom navigation menu is always visible throughout the app. It houses user settings, profile information, and our messaging platform. Settings include standard app management features. It's also where the user can edit their login preferences. The profile section has 3 categories: My Information, History, and Payments. My Information lists personal information, member information, and apprenticeship status. It allows the apprentice to view a summary of their status in the program at any time. History includes a summary of training history, which will launch in Phase 2, and a summary of the apprentice's work hours by type. Finally, Payments will also roll out in Phase 2 and will house records for payment methods and transaction history related to journeyman upgrade course registration. Under the last menu item, Alerts, the user will see a record of push notifications we send through the app. Push notifications alert users to urgent memos such as class cancellations and upcoming deadlines. Phase 2 will include the launch of a one-to-one messaging system, giving us the ability to send individual messages to each user. Although we designed our app with different user groups in mind, this menu will remain the same for all users. Alternate users include journeymen, instructors, and contractors. Features for each user are customized. The journeyman screen will show recent certifications at the top, whereas instructors may or may not need that information. Finally, contractors will be able to search members from the top of their screen. The mobile apps will allow us to be more efficient in our day-to-day operations and provide better service for all our membership.